Hi, greetings from Real Webcare and welcome to our video on the T4B News Ticker plugin, a powerful tool to transform your website with dynamic news content. News tickers are essential for websites, especially news sites, because they provide a real-time flow of information. They keep your audience engaged by showcasing the latest updates, announcements, and breaking news. But it's not just for news sites. Any website can benefit from a news ticker to highlight important messages, promotions, or events, capturing visitors' attention instantly. Let's dive into a demo. With T4B News Ticker, you have a choice of 3 captivating animation effects. Scroll seamlessly scrolls news headlines across the screen. Fade gently fades content in and out for a smooth viewing experience. Typograph adds a unique touch with a typewriter effect. The T4B News Ticker plugin is not only versatile but also incredibly easy to use. It integrates effortlessly into your WordPress site, enhancing your content's visibility. Stay tuned to see how this plugin can elevate your website. Adding the T4B News Ticker plugin to your WordPress website is quick and easy. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Plugins section, click on the Add New Plugin. In the Plugins section, you'll find a search box. Just type in News Ticker there and wait. The T4B News Ticker plugin will appear in the search results. Simply click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. And that's it. Your plugin will be installed. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button to activate it. Now, the T4B News Ticker plugin is activated and ready to use. You'll find it listed in the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard, fully ready to help you create and customize engaging news tickers that capture your audience's attention and keep them informed. To create a news ticker, simply click on the Settings link provided by the plugin. This will take you to the Ticker Settings page, located in the Settings menu of your WordPress dashboard. The first option is Enable Ticker. When checked, your ticker will be visible on your site. If unchecked, it won't display. The next option is Show in Homepage Only. Select this if you want the ticker to appear solely on your homepage. Then, you have Ticker Title, where you can enter any title like Breaking News or Top News. For ticker animation types, choose from 4 options: Slide, Fade, Ticker, and Scroll. If you select Scroll, an additional scrolling control option becomes available, allowing you to adjust the scrolling speed. Content for the ticker can be loaded in 3 ways: by category, tags, or custom text. Categories and tags will pull from your WordPress posts, while custom text allows you to enter your own messages. Here's a demo of custom content, demonstrating how to include a link. Enter each custom text line separately. The Open in New tab option determines whether links open in the same tab or a new one. Once you've configured your settings, click Save Changes. To use the ticker, copy the shortcode from the right sidebar, open a new page, and paste it there. Publish the page to see the result. The ticker will display according to your setup. Experiment with different animation types to see their effects. Watch as each style brings a unique dynamic to your content, from the smooth transitions of the fade effect to the eye-catching movement of the scroll. Each animation offers a distinct way to engage your audience, allowing you to tailor the presentation to perfectly match your site's aesthetic. If Scroll is selected and Scrolling Control is enabled, a control option will appear on the ticker's right side. Disable it, and the Control button will vanish. To feature specific post categories, select the category type. This option is perfect for highlighting important posts, allowing you to showcase particular topics or updates prominently. It helps draw attention to your most relevant content, ensuring your audience stays informed about key news or announcements. We've now covered the features of the free version. Next, let's explore the Pro version of T4B News Ticker. On the Plugin Settings page, you'll find details about the Pro version on the right side, along with a link to view a demo. Click View Demo to explore the enhanced features. The Pro version offers 12 unique styles with ready-made templates, providing 7 animation effects, including support for RSS and JSON feeds. This allows you to pull in external content seamlessly. Display multiple tickers on a single page, giving you flexibility to showcase diverse content. With various color options, you can customize the appearance to match your brand perfectly. The Pro version truly elevates your site, offering advanced functionality and a polished, professional look. Thank you for watching our overview of the T4B News Ticker plugin.